The way we see different countries is changing because of the internet. Trains help people travel far places much more easily. Accounting students typically understand economics, statistics, and some psychology. I truly believe it's among the best actions I've ever taken. We're trying to come up with new solutions for society's big issues.